Oh, look at you. You got your own special way of doing it, don't you? Okay. Now you're getting a little bit too close, please.
Oh, you're kidding.
I'm not kidding. Your face is so big, it's going to scare people.
One.
Now, what do you do with that Kleenex? Now that you got it rolled up in a ball. Oh, okay. All right. And that works?
Yeah,
that
it
gets
works.
the stuff out of your nose?
Yeah. Look.
Very nice.
Isn't that great?
Yeah. You did a great job, man.
That's how you blow your nose.
Oh, okay.
Why my face is so big?
Because you're so close to the camera.
Now my face is little.
It's not too big anymore, is it?
No!
Ah! It's huge, man. It's so huge. Ah!
Just like...
I'm looking right up your nose. Oh. Oh, stop it. Oh, I'm turning it off now. I had to turn it off. You breathed on it, man.
I'm not gonna breathe down it anymore.
Okay.
Isn't that great?
You're quite a singer.
Isn't that funny?
That was pretty funny.
To blow your nose on the tissue in your hair? Isn't that funny?
That's pretty funny. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I heard you got some stuffiness in your nose, don't you, buddy? Oh, man. That just happened overnight, didn't it? Oh, boy. Oh, well.